I was asked if I'm afraid of AI taking my job, so I had to make this video about it. If you're wondering what my answer is, it's a resounding no. Does that mean I can just ignore AI? Of course not. Hey taxpayers, it's Tiffany Gonzalez CPA here, and if you've been following the news, it's pretty clear that AI has woven itself into almost every industry imaginable. And accounting is definitely not an exception. In fact, a recent report predicts that the AI in the accounting market is going to hit a whopping 53 million in revenue by 2030. And that's a huge number, and it really shows how much businesses are looking to AI to streamline their operations, boost efficiency, cut down on costs. But here is the big question that always comes up. Is AI going to eventually replace jobs such as accountants or bookkeepers entirely? Are we looking at a future where our financial pros are all just robots? And the quick answer for me is no, not anytime soon at least. I mean, it's changing our job, that's for sure. And it's absolutely crucial for us as accountants, bookkeepers to understand both AI and automation so that we can do our jobs as effectively as possible in this evolving landscape. But let's dig a little deeper. AI is pretty amazing at repetitive rules-based tasks. It can comb through massive amounts of data in seconds. It can flag things that would take human hours to spot. It could even help with fraud detection and tax compliance, especially for businesses with complex operations or even international clients. But there is one thing AI still hasn't accomplished. It doesn't actually think. It doesn't necessarily make judgment calls. It doesn't understand context the way a person does. It can process information, but it can't necessarily give strategic advice. It can't interpret a client's goals. It can't help build relationships. And those are the things that make your financial pros so valuable. Let's say a client is planning to expand into a new market. AI can help produce the numbers, revenue forecasts, cash flow trends. It can even help with tax implication, but it's the accountant who pulls all this data together and says, okay, based on your goals, here's what I'd recommend, here's the risk we need to watch out for. And it's really the accountant that fed it all of this information. Same goes for audits, tax planning, or industry-specific advice. Accountants, unlike AI, have to consider laws, ethics, timings, and even the personalities involved. There's a human layer to it. So here's the future. It's not AI or humans. To me, it's AI and humans. AI is here to take away the boring, repetitive stuff that frees us up to focus on the big picture, to giving the client advice, to helping the client grow, to stepping into that more strategic role. And honestly, that's a win, because if you're an accountant, your real value has never been just punching in the numbers. It's always been helping people understand them and use them to make better decisions. And for those looking to stay ahead, there's a whole new world of opportunities opening up. Things like AI auditing, data ethics, compliance tech. It's a great time, more than ever, to grow your skill set. So no, robots aren't taking my job, but they can help handle some of the mundane things. So we as a firm can focus giving you real value, real strategic advice. And honestly, that's how it always should have been. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook at Accounting to Scale. Until the next video, your favorite CPA in the human flesh, Tiffany Gonzalez.